I get the legend, the one and only Ruggedman Baba inside the studio with me. I want to talk about the new EP. Ruggedman Baba, how far now, Baba?
God we.
You see the way they vibe to your song, man. And they find it difficult to pick between your albums. The album come. Ruggedman Baba album and then Untouchable. I get specific tracks where they give me different kind of memories for that your album come. You get one song where you do with Jafar and a Bounce. Waiting Day.
I wonder why you like that track.
I don't know that the track that real hip hop, that real gangster kind of song. You understand?
One of the last tracks we record for Dolphin Studio that year. We will see they use tone generator. Forget.
I
work for that track that day.
I played. I know if it counts how many copies of that album come I buy.
Now this is what you do now. I do to that green album too. I buy like 9 every time. Once you begin skip,
you don't skip. You go buy another one, and then get someone they thief too. You go keep on somebody go carry and run. You go buy another one. So from that album come Ruggedman Baba album. You get one song where you do, I don't forget the title where you sing with Tom Baba voice first. I need all these albums.
Then they online right now. I don't. You know. Back in the days, we don't know. When we come up, we don't know a lot of things about all them iTunes and the likes. Imagine the album now. Me, they enjoy say, okay, people don't they know the album, don't they know the songs, don't they know me? They do some small shows. When I can find out about iTunes and everything, I rush go upload the song, the album. That not like a year or two after. Now I see somebody to upload and since.
They help you upload your.
Help me upload since, my brother. You understand? So it takes some time, but we get them.
So if somebody go online now, search all those
music platforms,
they go see your albums. Your albums.
Then they there.
Because that's your Ruggedman Baba album. You get one song where you sing with one babe. I don't forget anything. I'll sing the song. What is it you want? What do you hope to achieve by sowing seeds that will destroy your future? Better avoid it or use protection.
Now Neola, they give me those.
I think that Neola, yes.
So now they give me that now flesh to death.
Yes, when they talk about people who like to sleep with woman without protection.
I just want to do a conscious
that one
track.
did, yeah. And then you get one song where you do again. Waka 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 blast.
That track, yeah.
That beef track, I know.
And not really. I just not to anybody who don't like me now. You say waka. You understand?
No, but I feel say you direct that track, especially.
No, not really. If I go direct track, trust me.
You go
I go name names and I go flog with Kane. Now my way with that. So if you know, if anybody talk to me but no talk to me direct, I no go waste energy on you.
Okay, you get some small boys where you sing with from beginning.
Hakim, and Hakim and Chinedu.
Where those boys did?
Hakim just vanish, go back to whether na Canada and come from that time. He just come. I've been saying come to stay. Naija, but the boy just get up, just move.
That Chinedu, because those guys are very solid rappers.
Chinedu now one of the best rappers till date. Forget, yes, I know say no release album or anything. He into go abroad. Ain't no release album or anything, but I do one hip hop mixtape with him. Okay. This is Chinedu, because my plan now to introduce him to the industry. So I start with This is Chinedu. Now like a mixtape where we use old school hip hop beats, real hip hop beats, because Chinedu nah rapper.
And then they follow this man music for years, and I'm be huge fan before I even enter radio.
Thank you.
I can't enter radio. I can't convert from fan to AC.
Now it don't be split units because we do it together now.
You understand? Your new EP where you just dropped. Tell us about the EP. What you inspire them and how it come about?
Well, the EP I title the Michael Stevens Experiment.
By the way, if you don't know my name, be that Michael Stevens, Michael Ugochukwu Stevens.
Yes, so I title the Michael Stevens Experiment because I want to experiment with different genres of music.
Okay.
You understand? That's why inside the EP now 4-track EP. Then inside that EP I get 4 tracks. There's one track there for everybody. Of course, I start with a rap track, OG. Okay. Now that OG I feature some OGs.
Who be the OGs mentioned?
I feature now he named Mr. Styles now. But for those who know, I mean, freestyle from Tribesmen.
Yeah,
then,
yes.
Then Uzi Kwendu, the fire spitter, that's Ikechukwu brother. Now he won't use machine gun rap. Scatter the track from beginning, and of course Eva Alodia. Anybody will know Eva Alodia.
All of them inside this track.
They did the track, and then the last person who did the track, not the one and only Jesse Jags. Some people they say, oh Shena, because Shena say I want use talk about, say, where some people say whether what do you call it, say rap don't die for Naija. I say, well, not really. Me, I know say rap never die.
Rap never die.
It be my fault. Say this generation no get too many rappers like that.
Yeah.
No be my fault for that one. And then una no go just use that one automatically one cancel rap from Naija rap day.
Okay.
So and even sweet me saying that the OGs are bring again to show them say rap day. If una decide not to do them, no problem. But no make mistake talk say no day.
Okay, so 4 tracks 9 day there. The first one OG. Don't tell us about how you feature Uzi Gwendu, King Uzi, Jesse Jacks, and Iba Lodia freestyle. Okay, so apart from OG, tell us about the other 2 tracks because now your experiment, Michael Stevens experiment.
Yes, sir.
With that experiment, and the experiment gets rap. Which other kind of genre of music they
now I get track 2. Now I'm a piano Afro beats thingy. I feature one young artist, Mac Doe. Okay. I feature Mac Doe for the track. Well, actually, I tell him to write me hook where me go sing. But when he can't write sing say, okay, Babana, like this, you go sing I can't look and say, it didn't suit me already. The way in lay I just say, you know it, no matter. Yes, I know say me from day one I dey work with anybody. As long as I know say you get talent, I go work with you. So I just say, you know it, bro. Come, I feature you for the track, no matter. Okay. And the boy just open mouth, he look me. I say, yeah, no worry. Now me get project.
So you join and sing the
yes.
piano. Okay, so
me do rapping, sing. That's now one man produced by Sudden Smoke.
Okay, and then
another young Gen Z
artist. And then the other 3rd track.
The other 3rd track now Gara.
Okay.
Gara na your laid back. In fact, every time anybody hear that track, then they always tell me say it be them like within Whiskey, suppose jump on or Kiss Daniel and what they do. Produced by Pimp. Then the last track na my surprise package. The last track na Found Love.
Okay.
Last track Found Love, produced by Sudden Smoke, written by Embryo and me.
Okay.
Written by Embryo and me. Produced by Sudden Smoke. Found Love now. Where down? Why I say na my something now, because I know rap.
You know rap, because when I listen to that, like I see Rugged they single.
I know rap, and I know rap. I sing, and not only say I sing, I take it to the extreme. Now love song. You understand?
So you get a particular person for mind.
Must you ask that question? So as I was saying,
no,
I know
rap. Don't run away. You get a particular.
I don't run away. I sit down here.
You get a particular person for mind when you did this particular song. When you found.
No, we don't.
My rephrase the question. You don't find love.
It be like. But no be and make me write sing this. We don't write the song already. You just like say something just happened.
Which one come first? You don't find the love before you write the song, or you don't write the song before you find the love?
I not say I find love. I say
you say it be like now.
Yes, it be like no be yes or no.
It be like say you don't find love, or you dey see, you never conclude the love.
You say
they see the love.
The 4th track now Found Love. So what did I do with that one? They say, I take my own advice. I always tell people, say, look, if you want to do something, I don't talk this in plenty times, and I will still they talk because people we learn every day. I don't know who they listen right now. I always tell people, say, anything where you they do, where others they do them too. Yeah. The best way if you do for yourself now, find one angle we go make your own a bit different. We go make your own stand out a little. So now, yes, rap track did it. I'm a piano like Afrobeat thing did it. Gara did there with you. When you hear that, you understand. You go okay. Then when I can't do the found love now. Okay, imagine say then tell you say Ruggedman drop rap track. You go say na baba na you go see it when I reach out. You know? But if you come here say guy, you don't hear one track where Ruggedman sing, you go like sing my ear. Instantly you go want to listen. And I bet you when you play them now, you go almost say the same thing. The first few seconds to a minute where people they listen, they go say this one a wedding song, this one a wedding song. You go understand.
Okay, Found Love. Rugged, when I listen to this song, first time I hear them, I hear snippets of 2 old songs. Okay. Like that, they colo for you. I know I don't hear something like that before. And then I come down that we found love. What are we gonna do with it? Yeah. It sounds like now that we will Smith.
No.
Maybe we Smith now that we found love.
No. Every use them that time. But now Third World.
Third World, I
mean, I know way before Heavy D even use them for now. Now that we found love.
So it's not intentional.
Not intentional. Because I noticed something where a lot of these young artists they do. Then if then go take one popular beat, just tweak them a bit. So that when they now use them for their own, for the back of your mind, you go to hear it. It go to be like what you don't hear before, but you don't really feel put a finger on them. You know, that kind of thing. So now I do for this one. And I actually been one use now that we've unloved before. But when I can't check the clearing process, the process we could take for me to clear them from America, that if you take time and I don't get release date already and everything, I just speak to Paul Play. Paul Play just give me idea how to tweak.
So now Paul Play, so who produced this track?
Sudden Smoke.
Sudden Smoke. Okay, so now since you don't sing Found Love and we don't hear the song, the very lovely jam now, you won't confirm now that you did relationship.
So the other which
you did relationship.
What do you mean?
Again, when they move on, you get relationship.
This show yes
or, you they involved in a relation? Yes or no? That's just yes or no. Simple yes or no question.
Simple yes or no.
You get relationship.
Almost.
You know, man, we get plenty women. We never
no, please don't say that before you go spoil the almost. No, don't say that. Come, Honorable, off your mic.
I want to ask you why you make the EP only 4 tracks.
Well, I just
you know why they ask you that question? But people like me, we don't know you and your albums for years. From like, I feel talking now say none of your album why I buy in those days. Why I say the album if they play, you go skip track. Say okay, I don't want this track. No, album play 1, play 2, play from beginning. So we always like, and you know how they drop albums in those 20-something tracks, 18 tracks, whatever. So they can't do EP first. People like us, we don't they used to plenty songs in an album. They sound, they look one
I know. You know, but the thing about them now, things don't change, times don't change, and even songs nowadays. I know you get one track where I listen to for one of these platforms now, 1 minute 45 seconds. 9-minute track. Now just chorus and verse. So things don't change. But me no fit go. I don't go like that.
But even this one served. I mean, this one man now 2 minutes 21 seconds.
Thank you. Because I just show them say, look, this now what's happen now, what's how they been now. So yes, I go give them to them like that. But don't forget, OG now over 4 minutes.
Mama, I just tell you now, you too good as a rapper and as a musician, whatever. To they give us 4-track EP.
Another maybe 4-track EP go drop on my birthday. No worry.
For October, for September.
You understand?
Okay, fine.
Just take say, waiting I tell somebody this 4 tracks we just drop now, like single.
Okay. I noticed that you work with producers who never really big.
I get better eye and ear.
Okay, so now be this
same way now. Embra where been there with me. Now I write Overdose. Now they write a lot of Maven songs. And I'm my boy.
So now people is a bit. You understand? I know that part of you say it's a bit discover.
If I become A&R for one record label,
this OG, you get plan to shoot the video and then. Going forward, what will be the plan for the EP?
I definitely get plan to shoot the video for OG. Even though I know Freestyle Day America, Eva they outside Naija too, then just see the outside Lagos. But I get plan. Like I said, I won't talk to them next week to know how we just take arrange but I don't already shoot the video. The only one where play, I don't shoot the video for that one. I shoot the video for Atlanta. For Gara. I shoot the video for Gara for America.
Alright.
So. It done ready already. I even consider dropping them now while we wait to do the videos for the rest. So that TV no go lose out like that. But then this Michael Stevens Experiment EP, especially that track OG now. When the EP drop on the 7th of June, I do listening release party for Vanity. Now, what I do? So normally when a rapper drop track or when somebody drop track, then go do like open verse or people go do covers. Me, I no wait till I throw out the open verse. I get people to do covers already. But now I no go the conventional getting singers and rappers to come do cover. For my own now. Okay, might just give you a list of people who don't record their own verses for OG.
Okay.
Mr. Macaroni, Yaba Ojo, Frank Edoho, Kevin Ikeduba, Jide Kene.
How does people do this?
Momiwa, that's Mr. Macaroni's kid's wife, Momiwa, and Sheya Olo, Big Brother Naija. The ones more people will they come soon.
Who write the cover for them?
Legge Miami own they come soon. You understand? So waiting. No, now we write.
You write for
we write for some. Mr. Macaroni will write for him, but he change everything. We just drop the skit where we shoot for this OG 2 days ago. It don't blow up everywhere because normally what we do, we they write for them with their character in mind. So like him now, he can't even tweak him in such a way. Normally when they talk to babe, you know as they do now, freaky, give me your number. So now instead of talking to babe, say give me your number, in rap to the babe. Call account to the, you know, that kind of thing. And we shoot that one the same. But now Frank Edo write it on from beginning to end because he's saying been rap in the rap before. So we write for him, but when he comes to the, he's doing things only in your own way. Jide Kene now, you know Jide Kene, the actor, we do, you know, rattlesnake, living in bondage and stuff like that. So him to tweak his own. You know,
so we write for some, and
we write for some do for themselves. Now Macaroni don't drop his own. So, but you get what your mommy will tell me. Mommy will tell me, say, she no say if she posts this her song now for TikTok, her followers, she get like 4 million followers. So she say if she posts now for TikTok now, she no say her people will begin to use them to do videos. And my brotherly, waiting these platforms they for now for streaming. Waiting the streaming go amount to now money for whoever get the content. So now I can't tell, I'll say, okay, hold on, never. Now as I speak to you in a few weeks now, you they see you go hit will they release Ruggedman featuring Mr. Macaroni and Momiwa OG Celebrity Remix. One. Now that one will drop first. Almost everything done ready. Now just the release date 9 days. So now that one will first drop, and of course we will shoot video for that, and we will shoot video for the normal OG. And you know, it's like another thing where they surprise me now, the fact say the place where they get love and support from, not even from fellow musicians. We, you know, I not go say like I expected or anything, because I know nobody owe me anything. You know, but the likes of Iyabo Joe, Mr. Macaroni, Momiwa, Frank Ador, the love with these guys don't show me for this EP. Nah. As in, I don't expect them, but I appreciate them and I love them. You know?
That's good. So any plan for a tour?
Oh, yeah, most definitely. Right now, promotion they do. Because I know just one go begin the try shop within they never digest, within they no.
You get anybody way musician, Nigerian, foreign musician, way you go like do music for a long time when I never get chance to work to that, but go like make that one happen at least before.
Oh yeah, the one with the top of my head na Baraje remix with Davido. Because every time where I hear electricity, we feels do electricity. I sing Baraje. So
you don't reach out.
I never initiate them. No. I never initiate them, but I go do them. Now waiting just stay in my mind. As you ask them now, it still come my mind again. So now something where I would love to. Nobody say I no go like do with anybody else like Burna and the rest and Wiz or anybody. But that one the top of my because every album where I drop from the album come me I did do self-finance tours. I did do at least 6 states. Then I did do them by myself, and I believe in a part of it make me still day where I did to day. I know I did waka by myself. You know, nobody say if I get person who waka for me, I no go allow. But I did work. I mean, I be a very hands-on person. I did like they involved and everything, because I don't get anything to prove. I don't come to try to impress anybody. Music, entertainment, now which I did do. I did help people when I fit. So I just use this opportunity to tell on now where they are there. This now when I need on our own support. All I ask, I know someone give me money. I know someone has to, you know me say if you want send that you want the money, I go I'll give you my answer. We know they reject what you give, but what I just need on now to do for me. Tell your people, say Ruggedman don't drop EP. The Michael Stevens Experiment.
Alright, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.